Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that might just save you from being stranded with a dead car battery. Ever walked out to your car, turned the key, and nothing? Yeah, we've all been there. Modern cars are packed with cool features, Bluetooth, GPS, heated seats, you name it. But here's the catch. All these gadgets draw power from your car battery, and if you're not careful, they can silently drain your battery, leaving you stuck. In this video, we're uncovering 8 silent car battery killers that you might not even know about. By the end, you'll know exactly how to avoid them and keep your battery healthy for years to come. So let's get started. Battery killer. Number 1, headlights left on. All right, let's start with the most obvious one, headlights left on. Now, many modern cars have this awesome feature where the headlights turn off automatically when you shut off the engine. But if you're driving an older model, this might not be the case. Here's the scary part. If you accidentally leave your headlights on, a fully charged battery can be completely drained in just 1 to 2 hours. That's right, just a couple of hours, and you're stuck calling for a jump start. So if your car doesn't have automatic headlights, make it a habit to double check before you walk away. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Have you ever left your headlights on by accident? How did you handle it? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. Battery killer, number 2, interior lights left on. Next up, we have interior lights left on. This one's sneaky because it's so easy to overlook. Maybe you left the glove box open, or the trunk didn't fully close, or you forgot to turn off the reading light. Even though interior lights seem small, they can slowly drain your battery over time. And the worst part, you might not even notice until it's too late. So before you lock up and walk away, take a quick peek inside your car. Make sure all the lights are off and everything's shut tight. It's a small step that can save you a big headache later. Do you have a habit of checking your interior lights before leaving your car? Or have you ever been caught off guard by a dead battery because of this? Share your experiences in the comments. Battery killer number 3, accessory socket plugins. All right, let's talk about accessory socket plugins. You know those handy 12-volt outlets where you plug in your phone charger, dash cam, or air freshener? Here's the thing, even when your car is off, these outlets are still powered by the battery. So if you leave something plugged in, it's quietly sipping away at your battery's power. Over time, this parasitic drain can leave you with a dead battery. The solution? Unplug your accessories when you're not using them. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference. What's your go-to accessory plugged into your car? Is it a phone charger, a dash cam, or something else? Let me know in the comments. Battery killer number 4, key fob. Now this one might surprise you, your key fob. Yes, that little device that unlocks your car with the click of a button. Some cars have a feature where the key fob wakes up the car's receiver when it's nearby, waiting for your command. But if you leave the fob within 15 feet of your car, the receiver stays engaged, slowly draining the battery. So if you're not planning to drive for a while, keep your key fob away from your car. It's a small adjustment that can help preserve your battery's life. Did you know your key fob could drain your battery? Have you ever experienced this? Let me know in the comments. Battery killer number 5, extreme temperatures. Next up, we have extreme temperatures. Whether it's sweltering summer heat or freezing winter cold, extreme weather is tough on your car battery. In the summer, high temperatures can evaporate the battery's internal liquids, weakening its charge. And in the winter, freezing weather slows down the chemical reactions inside the battery, making it harder to start your car. So what can you do? Park in a garage, use a car cover, or invest in a battery blanket. These small steps can help protect your battery from the elements. How do you protect your car battery from extreme weather? Do you have any tips or tricks? Share them in the comments. Battery killer number 6, corrosion. All right, let's talk about corrosion. Have you ever noticed a powdery white, blue, or green substance on your battery terminals? That's corrosion, and it's bad news for your battery. Corrosion happens when the chemicals inside the battery react with the metal terminals. Over time, this buildup can drain your battery and shorten its life. The good news? You can clean it off with a simple mixture of baking soda and water. Just make sure to disconnect the battery first and wear gloves for safety. Have you ever dealt with battery corrosion? How did you handle it? Let me know in the comments. Battery killer number 7, aftermarket car stereos. Next up, we have aftermarket car stereos. Now, if your stereo was installed by the automaker, you're probably fine. But if you've added an aftermarket system, it could be draining your battery. The bigger and more powerful the system, the more power it draws. And if it's wired incorrectly, it might keep drawing power even when the car's off. So if you've got an aftermarket stereo, make sure it's installed properly. And if you're not sure, it's worth getting it checked by a professional. Do you have an aftermarket stereo in your car? Have you ever had issues with it draining your battery? Let me know in the comments. Battery killer number 8, car alarms. Finally, we have car alarms. Like stereos, alarms installed by the automaker usually don't cause problems. But aftermarket alarms? That's a different story. If an aftermarket alarm is installed incorrectly, it can cause a significant drain on your battery. So if you've added an alarm to your car, make sure it's set up properly to avoid any issues. Have you ever had issues with a car alarm draining your battery? Share your experiences in the comments. And there you have it, 8 silent car battery killers that you need to watch out for. From headlights left onto aftermarket stereos, these sneaky culprits can drain your battery without you even realizing it. By being mindful of these factors, you can extend the life of your car battery and avoid those frustrating dead battery moments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow drivers, and subscribe for more tips to keep your car running smoothly. And before you go, let me know in the comments. Which of these battery killers surprised you the most? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, drive safe, drive smart, and take care of your ride. See you in the next video.